The hot take on the Galaxy S9 is mixed. Core specifications are solid, the display upgrades and camera improvements are promising. On the flip side, the final design is conservative, and now new leaks have revealed two of the biggest considerations for users will disappoint. Great secret features and nasty surprises are my regular columns investigating the best features / biggest problems hidden behind the headlines. In a somewhat disappointing exclusive, Eagle-eyed / leaks obtained images of both the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus batteries, and they aren't the upgrades you're looking for. In fact, they aren't upgrades at all. Just like the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus, the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus will have 3000 and 3500 mAh capacity batteries respectively. In fact, this stagnation goes further back, as the 2016 Galaxy S7, 3000 mAh, and Galaxy S7 Edge, 3600 mAh, matched or bettered these capacities despite having much smaller displays to power. The good news is Samsung did manage to squeeze out decent, if not world-shattering, battery life from its 2017 model, so hope will be high that new efficiencies in the new Galaxies can extend this further. To Samsung's credit, it does also have very long battery life cycles, just 5% degradation after 2 years, something one rival in particular seems to think is witchcraft. Price bumps. While Samsung may not be increasing battery capacities in 2018, it is again increasing the asking price. The consistently reliable ET News reports the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus will retail $895 to $935 in South Korea. But don't panic yet. While these figures are higher than last year, it only equates to a circa $20 increase. Meanwhile, Samsung priced the Galaxy S8 at $750 in the US, so it may only go up to circa $800, though remember most countries around the world list prices including tax. So yes, you should expect to pay more, and yes, it might not be a lot more, but it's still frustrating after prices were already hiked in 2017, but it's not substantially more. And given Apple has a potential $1,400 iPhone launching this year, things could be a lot worse. A couple of days ago, Samsung confirmed that it would officially announce its Galaxy S9 family of smartphones on February 25 at MWC 2018. For now, the company doesn't want to say much about the S9 series, other than the fact that it's going to bring a reimagined camera. Nevertheless, leaked renders, and even videos, have been suggesting that the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus won't be too different from the S8 and S8 Plus, at least not when it comes to design. Last year, Samsung was criticized for the placement of its fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus. The biometric button was placed on back, too close to the rear camera lens. Some users, blindly trying to find the fingerprint scanner with their finger, ended up smudging the lens. When the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 was released a few months later, the manufacturer put the flash module in between the fingerprint button and the lens, reducing the number of times that the rear cameras would get dirty from the user's finger. The S9 and S9 Plus are also said to differ much more from each other than the S8 and S8 Plus did. The 6.2-inch S9 Plus will get 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, while the 5.8-inch S9 will have 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The S9 Plus will also have a dual rear camera system, while the S9 will have only a single camera. Speaking of cameras, the teaser for the phones talks exclusively about the camera being reimagined. On that front, we know that the main rear camera found on both phones will have variable aperture from f2.4 to f1.5 and also 480fps 720p slow motion recording that is triggered automatically when it detects fast motion. Ultimately, Samsung seems to be taking a leaf out of Apple's iPhone S strategy for 2018. This is understandable. Samsung got a lot right in 2017, and with the right tweaks, the 2018 models should be successful as well, while also setting the stage for something much bigger later in the year.